Have you ever been trapped with only your fear for company? I am stuck in the elevator, and it's getting smaller by the second. The elevator is quiet. The light is flickering. I am alone, and suddenly the silence is deafening. The doors are not opening. My heart is racing. My hands are cold, and I am wondering, will help come in time? The walls are too close. The air is heavy. My thoughts are louder than the silence. I'm trying to stay calm, but my mind is screaming. The emergency button is frozen. The numbers on the elevator are stuck. The building is tall. The floors are many. But my world is this tiny box. My fear is real, but so is my courage. I reach for my phone. The signal is weak, but it is there. I press the alarm again, and finally a voice replies, "Help is coming. You are safe." I am breathing slowly now. My fear is smaller. The doors are opening slowly. The world is big again, and I am smiling. Have you ever been afraid in a small place? Write one sentence using "I am" in the comments. For example, I am brave. Let's practice together. Today we used is to describe situations. The light is flickering. Am to express feelings. I am afraid. Are for plural things. The floors are many. Remember, grammar is not just rules. It is how we describe real moments.